Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out for beginner friendly tutorials like this. And if you have been here before, welcome back. Make sure you like this video if you find this helpful. It really helps the channel to grow. Alright, let's get started. The first thing to do is to download Python. Open your web browser and type Python download. Search for Python downloads, and you can see the first website there is Python's website. So click on it. Now download the latest version for Windows. So here is the latest version. If you want to go with other versions, you can just select them and go with them. We are going with the latest, so click on download Python 3.13 as of the time I'm making this video. So as you can see, Python is already downloaded here. So open your downloads folder. As you can see, Python is already here. Now double click on it. Check these two boxes. Click on install now. Accept the authentication. Waiting for installation. It's gonna take a while, a bit. You have to be patient, wait for Python to do its thing. So Python setup was successful. So Python has been successfully installed on your system. To confirm if Python is installed on your system, open your terminal or your CMD, your command prompt, and type Python T capital V. So you can see Python 3.13 has been successfully installed. So guys, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, please kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. Bye bye, see you in the next video.